Hi all, so welcome to my channel again. So today we have a freelancing opportunity for the IT professionals, those who are already working or those who are not working and want to earn some extra money so they can work in the weekend and the part time to earn some extra money as a freelancers. And this is a very good opportunity. The opportunity is for the SAP modules. Okay, so let me show you the modules. These are the modules for which the job is available right now. So the SAP F5 Finance module, the Material Management module, SAP Basis as well, BW, SAP Transportation Management, SAP BO, and Analytics Cloud. So this is a very good opportunity for the SAP consultants who want to do some part-time job as freelancer and earn some extra money. There are two kinds of job profiles which I am going to describe about here in this slide. The on the left hand side, the job profile is for the support project or the rollout project. So it is just a kind of supporting or working on a rollout or working on implementation. This is based on the profile that is going to be selected. So people can offer you a support project. So basically, these are the consultancy services they or the vendors who has taken some project from the MNC company, and they have a deadline of 2 months or 3 months to complete that, and they want some extra hand who can support their members to complete the same. Okay, so this is a very good opportunity. The payment is also very good. So they are for rollout or implementation, they are paying you 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees per month. And that is a very good opportunity for those who are working from home right now and want to earn some extra money. On the right hand side, there are other kind of the job profile is the training job. So the people who has a very good knowledge in the SAP modules and who is having a strong training experience in these fields, they can apply for these jobs as well. So there are two kinds of trainings here. One is a simple training where you are going to take care of the candidates who wants to get trained in the SAP modules, and other is the corporate training where you get a chance to train some corporate people. So the timings will be different for both. I will say about the timing details now. The working location is work from home till the time of COVID, and obviously after COVID as well, because this is a freelancing job. The only thing is that you have to manage your timings. For rollout project, the maximum time hours is 25 hours they have estimated. Same for implementation as well. So it will be around 3 to 4 hours per day based on the kind of the work, but the timings is flexible. So if it's not mandatory that you have to be available for 3 to 4 hours per day, but you have to complete the task that has been assigned to you in the project as a project work. The estimated time is 25 hours, so you can spend some more time on weekdays or weekends, Saturday and Sunday, and save your daily hours. Okay, so you can work on 1 hour per day, and then you can spend some times on weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and then complete the tasks. So this is basically for the rollout or implementation. For the support kind of project, you may be involved for 1 or 2 hours per day, where you have to interact with candidates who are working in some companies and are facing issues, or freshers who are just joined the company and are not able to solve the incidents or the tickets that has been assigned to them. You have to support them, guide them about ServiceNow and other tools, and sometimes help them to write a mail or just guide them what the next steps would be, and help them analyzing the issues. Okay, so the issues are very simple, like somewhere routes are missing sorts, or some GL account is not getting posted. So that is few errors where you have to support them. For training jobs, again, the work from home location will be work from home. The timings is flexible, 1 hour each day. So either you can go for 1 hour each day from Monday to Friday, or 2 hours Saturday and Sunday you can spend. The course completion time is around 40 hours for this simple training. The corporate training details is not mentioned here, but I will tell you the corporate training timings would be around 4 hours per day. Either it will go for 9 to 1 in the morning, or 9 to or 10 to 2. You can choose any times, or maybe they will allocate you the timings. You have to spend 4 hours per day training the corporate people or the corporate consultants who are already working. and those people who have a good knowledge and experience in the training, they can earn very good amount of money doing the corporate training as well. So corporate training will be maximum for 15 days period. For 15 days you have to spend each day 4 hours from 9 to 1, and estimated amount they are offering is around 1 lakh rupees per month. Okay, and how to apply? So they are looking for some senior resources who has a good experience so that they can easily support, or only the experienced one can work on the implementation. So if you have a implementation experience, definitely you can work on the rollout or the implementation or supporting the projects. Also you can opt for the training. The experience they have quoted is 5 to 10 years, but people who are having 3 years of experience, 4 years of experience, but having a good knowledge, deep knowledge of the SAP modules, they can also send their resume with all these informations mentioned here, your full name, okay, and your present employer, permanent and contract employee. So this is important because based on that your timing will be decided. So you can also mention your office timings. If you are working, then what is your office timings, you can mention. You can add one column for office timings, the total IT experience, the SAP module name for which you are comfortable, and you can choose the options. If you want to apply for all the three, you can mention that I'm comfortable with job support and training both. And if you want just to uh, the training, you are applying for training, so you just put a profile as job profile for training jobs, or you can just mention the job profile for support, not for implementation and rollout. So it will save the timings for the recruitment who are going to select you, so that they can easily see that you are not you not want a support or a implementation project, you just want a training job, and they can easily reach out to you for those vacancies. So timing is not mandatory for training is also, this is accommodable, and if you want to take some leave, you have to just provide that information to the team that tomorrow or day after tomorrow I'm on leave, and accordingly they will plan the sessions or plan your work. Okay, so you can send your resume to monit065@gmail.com, and if you are liking my videos, join my channel, subscribe my channel Monit Kumar, so that I can share more videos like this, will keep you updated with more jobs. And please share with proper resume, and because this is a consultancy service who are going to hire you or as a free time as a freelancer, and they are going to evaluate on mostly based on your resume that you are going to share. So prepare a good resume and a cover note if you want, and then please mention all this information in your mail body. The office timing is very important, I missed it out. It's office timing you have to mention, and uh, the job profile which you are interested in, and share this to the monit065@gmail.com. I will review and I will share it to the consultancy services, and they can reach out to you for a small interview kind of thing, and they are going to evaluate it there whether you are fit for the job profile or not, and accordingly there you can discuss on the payment part as well. So I hope you are liking my videos. So please keep sharing, and please keep liking my videos and subscribe the channel, please, so that I can share more videos, upcoming videos. And thank you all for your support and work. Bye bye. Have a nice day.